How to fix Star Wars Jedi Survivor crashing or not launching on PC. So I'm going to show you a few methods on how to fix this problem. The first one is you go to your device manager and then kindly look for display adapters. Right click this one and kind of tap this below. Right click again and go to update driver. Now you have two options here, but I prefer to click the first one since it will give you an idea on what driver you should use that is suitable for your personal computer or laptop. And then the second one here is you need to go to your task manager, go to the search bar, type task manager, click open. So this is what it looks like. You have to click more info so that you can see all information. Now you just have to stop or disable the applications that you don't need, especially those applications that are temporary and you don't usually use or you don't usually need. So all you have to do is just tap and kind of disable that application. Now the third method is to go to the Windows Update. So all you have to do is to go to the search bar, type Windows Update, click this one, and then as you can see, you have to look for Windows Update, check for updates, and always make sure that you're currently using the updated version of your personal computer so you won't encounter Jedi Survivor crashing or it's not launching on your PC. The fourth one is go to your system configuration and all you have to do is to click services and then click hide all Microsoft services and tap this disable all. By doing these four methods, I'm pretty sure that it will solve your problem with fixed Star Wars Jedi Survivor crashing or not launching on PC. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.